Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix 80% charging issue on Android 16. Let's begin. Now, if you have an issue that your battery is charging only to 80% and not higher, then this is how to fix it. First, you want to navigate into your settings. Then you want to scroll down and go to your battery. Now go to battery health, and here we have charging optimization. We can click on it, and if we scroll down we will see that we have two options. We have adaptive charging and we have limit to 80%. Now if your battery is charging only to 80% and not higher, there is a very high chance that you might have this feature enabled. So if you want to now charge to 100%, you want to switch to adaptive charging, or even better, disable charging optimizations completely. It's totally up to you. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.